5. My name is Brittany, teacher, and today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. I'm here to do your workbook lesson with you. Today we're going to use our reading book, Rules and Laws, to help us answer some questions in our workbook. We are going to do 13, 14, and 15 today. We're going to start on page 13. On this page, we learn about the difference between should and must. Should is the word we use when we give advice. You should get some sleep. You should go to bed early. You should drink more water. It's not something you have to do, but it would be a good idea to do it. It would be helpful. It would make your life better. And if you're smart, you will follow this advice because usually someone is giving you this advice because they know the best thing to do, right? The word must is the word we use when we have no choice. We have to do it, okay? Usually the word must is used with a rule or when a parent or a teacher tells you to do something. This is something you must do because it keeps you safe and healthy, okay? So here are some examples. We use should to give advice. We use must to express necessity or obligation. That's just a fancy way of saying you have to do it. No choice. We should talk softly inside the library. You should sit in your seat. Cars must stop when the traffic light is red. We must respect other people's property. Here are some examples of sentences that we need to use the word must and should. 1, 2, and 3, we use the word should. 4 and 5, we use the word must. I want you to notice something about the sentence examples. The words should and must always follow the subject. We, you, cars, we. The subject is first, then the word should or must. For example, number 1, you get some rest. Where is the subject? You, exactly. So we're going to add the word should after the subject, you. You should get some rest. Write that here. How about using the word must? You brush your teeth. Where's the subject? You. So now we add the word must after the subject you. You must brush your teeth. Okay, try 2, 3, and 5 by yourself. Go to the next page, page 14. Answer the questions to describe the pictures. 1 and 2 are about rules. 3 and 4 are about laws. These pictures are in your rules and laws book. Open your book and look for the same picture. Then find the rule or law that's on that picture and write it down. For example, look at the first picture. This is the same picture as this one. Write the rules what are the rules in the library? There are rules in the library too. Everyone should, here's a rule, should talk softly inside the library. When we see the word should, it's usually a rule. When we see the word must, it's usually a law. Write the sentence that includes the word should. That's the rule about the library, okay, on this page. On the next page, you'll see another rule. What are the rules on the school bus? Okay, this picture is the same as the second one. Find the word should. That's the sentence that has the rule in it, and write the rule here. These two are about laws. So open your book to the section about laws. Do you see the one about the school bus? The sentence with the word must will have the law in it. Write the law here. And then look at the last picture, the bicycle. There's another law on this page. What is it? Write it here. Okay? After that, go to page 15. I'm going to help you. We need to summarize rules and laws. Write the title, Rules and Laws, up here. You need to answer, what is a rule? How do rules help us? What is a law? I'm going to give you the answer to number 1 because it's a little confusing. I'm going to tell you the answer to number 1. I want you to write, a rule is something we should do. A rule is something we should do. Answer 2 and 3 by yourself. Use your book to help you. On the first page, it tells you what a rule is or how a rule helps you. How a rule helps you is on the first page right here. What is a law? That's on page 11. Okay? Use those pages to help you answer your questions. Once you are finished answering questions on page 15, you are done with your lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!